Safety and operational efficiency are paramount in the offshore oil and gas industry. Harsh weather, isolation, and high-risk scenarios such as blowouts, fires, or leaks create constant challenges. In these demanding conditions, accurate personnel tracking and effective management are vital for control, life protection, and regulatory compliance. One of the most enduring tools for these objectives is the T-card system. This manual personnel tracking method has been used on offshore installations for decades. Despite its simplicity, it remains trusted due to its reliability, low cost, and freedom from complex technology. However, like any system, the T-card method comes with both strengths and limitations. Let's examine how the system operates, its key advantages and disadvantages, and the practical solutions that can mitigate its shortcomings. By examining these aspects, it highlights how the T-card system can continue to play a valuable role in offshore operations when integrated thoughtfully within modern safety and efficiency frameworks. The T-card system is a traditional, manual method used to track personnel on offshore oil and gas installations. Named after the distinctive T-shaped cards it employs, the system provides a simple yet effective way to monitor who is on board, where they are located, and what tasks they are performing. Each card contains essential information such as the worker's name, job title, and relevant operational details. These cards are placed on a central board or rack, typically located in an accessible area of the installation, such as a control room or administrative office. Workers move their cards between designated slots or sections to reflect their current status, for example, whether they are on duty, off duty, at a specific work site, or performing particular assignments. The T-card system is valued for its simplicity and reliability. It requires no complex technology or network infrastructure, making it easy to deploy and maintain, especially in remote or harsh offshore environments where electronic systems may be impractical or cost-prohibitive. Briefly, supervisors can see the full personnel distribution across the platform. While limited in automation and scalability, this low-tech approach continues to serve as a practical backup or primary solution in settings where environmental conditions, budget restrictions, or technological limitations make digital alternatives challenging to implement. The T-card system offers several advantages that make it a practical and dependable solution for personnel tracking, particularly in offshore environments where simplicity, reliability, and resilience are essential. Its foremost strength lies in its simplicity and independence from technology. The system operates entirely manually, requiring no electronic components, software, or internet connection. This makes it inherently reliable, even under harsh offshore conditions where extreme weather, power failures, or equipment malfunctions can disrupt digital systems. Moreover, because it is not connected to any network, the T-card system is completely immune to cybersecurity threats, an increasingly relevant advantage in today's digital landscape. Another key benefit is the immediate visibility it provides. Supervisors can see at a glance who is present, where personnel are working, and who may be unaccounted for. During emergencies, such as fires, blowouts, or evacuations, this clear, physical overview becomes invaluable for ensuring that every individual is quickly located and accounted for. The system's reliability in remote or disconnected environments further enhances its value when digital alternatives may not be feasible. The T-card system is also highly cost-effective, with minimal setup requirements, typically a board and a set of T-shaped cards. It involves low capital expenditure and virtually no maintenance costs. There are no software licenses, network dependencies, or ongoing training requirements, making it an economical choice for smaller installations or organizations operating under budget constraints. Finally, the system's adaptability adds to its practicality. T-cards can be color-coded, labeled, or configured to track different teams, job roles, or operational zones. This flexibility allows the system to integrate easily with other safety or operations management processes, providing a straightforward yet customizable approach to personnel tracking in complex industrial settings. While the T-card system is valued for its simplicity and resilience, it also carries several significant limitations that restrict its effectiveness in modern offshore operations. Its most prominent weakness is its dependence on human accuracy and discipline. The system relies entirely on personnel manually updating their cards, to reflect their movements or work status. In high-pressure or fast-paced offshore environments, individuals may forget to move their cards or may record incorrect information. In some cases, deliberate manipulation, such as leaving a card in the wrong slot to avoid detection, can further compromise accuracy. This reliance on human behavior introduces a considerable risk of error, omission, and inconsistency, undermining the system's reliability when precision matters most. Another challenge lies in scalability. While functional for smaller crews, the T-card system becomes cumbersome as workforce size increases. On large installations with hundreds of personnel, maintaining and updating the board can consume excessive time and administrative effort. Locating individual cards, verifying attendance, and performing manual counts become increasingly difficult, slowing down operational processes and potentially affecting overall safety management. The T-card system also lacks analytical and reporting capabilities. Unlike digital solutions, it cannot record historical data, track movement trends, or provide insights for safety analysis and process optimization. It offers only a static, momentary view of personnel distribution, limiting its usefulness in data-driven environments where continuous monitoring and real-time analytics are essential for decision-making. Perhaps the most critical limitation is its ineffectiveness during emergencies. In evacuation scenarios, crew members often do not have the time or ability to update their cards, resulting in incomplete or inaccurate records. This delay can hinder mustering efforts, causing confusion and wasted time when every second counts. Without real-time data, rescue teams may operate with outdated or misleading information, significantly increasing risk to personnel. In summary, while the T-card system provides a low-cost, straightforward approach to personnel tracking, its manual nature, scalability limits, lack of data integration, and vulnerability in crises make it unsuitable for the complex demands of modern offshore safety management. Although the traditional T-card system comes with several built-in challenges, a range of enhancements and hybrid solutions can greatly increase its effectiveness and reliability in today's offshore operations. These improvements combine human-centered procedures, refined workflows, and modern technology to create a more resilient and dependable framework for tracking personnel, one that supports both safety and operational efficiency in demanding offshore environments. A foundational step involves training and cultural reinforcement. Regular training sessions should emphasize the importance of accurate card updates and consistent participation in mustering protocols. Embedding this practice into the broader safety culture promotes accountability and ensures personnel understand how proper card management contributes directly to emergency preparedness. Scheduled drills and simulations further strengthen these habits, ensuring workers know exactly how to act during real incidents. To overcome scalability and data limitations, operators can adopt hybrid systems that integrate manual and digital components. For instance, the traditional T-card board can be supplemented by electronic tracking technologies, such as RFID-based systems or digital mustering tools, offering both reliability and enhanced data capabilities. In such setups, the manual T-card serves as a physical backup, while the electronic component automatically logs personnel movements, improving accuracy and scalability. Technological adaptations can also enhance the traditional system without discarding its simplicity. T-cards can be fitted with RFID chips or QR codes, enabling personnel to swipe or scan their cards at checkpoints. This method preserves the visual clarity of the manual board while enabling real-time data capture, allowing supervisors to analyze attendance patterns, operational efficiency, and safety compliance. For emergency response, reliance solely on manual systems should be avoided. Integrating the T-card system with digital muster lists, automated head counts, or real-time location systems ensures continuous visibility even if one system fails. This redundancy is critical in emergencies, where seconds matter and data accuracy can determine outcomes. Physical design improvements also enhance usability. Positioning the T-card rack in central, high-traffic areas encourages regular updates, while color-coded cards, clear labeling, and logical layouts reduce confusion during emergencies. Routine audits and inspections of the system ensure compliance, consistency, and operational discipline. Finally, improving communication channels through radios, public address systems, or digital alerts can complement the T-card framework by reminding personnel to update their status or providing real-time mustering instructions. By combining these procedural, physical, and digital enhancements, operators can transform the T-card system into a robust hybrid solution, one that preserves the simplicity and reliability of manual tracking while embracing the precision, scalability, and analytical power of modern technology. Over time, the T-card system has demonstrated its value as a dependable and low-cost personnel tracking method across both offshore and onshore installations in the oil and gas sector. Its straightforward operation, durability, and resistance to environmental challenges make it particularly effective in conditions where electronic systems may be impractical or unreliable. This simplicity continues to make it a practical tool for operations that prioritize reliability over complexity. However, the system's limitations, such as its dependence on manual input, lack of scalability, and inability to deliver real-time data, restrict its effectiveness in modern, data-driven environments. To overcome these shortcomings, operators can introduce targeted improvements, regular personnel training, hybrid integration with digital technologies, enhanced card design, and improved communication protocols. Each of these measures helps mitigate human error, streamline coordination, and maintain operational visibility, even under demanding offshore conditions. The future of personnel tracking in the oil and gas industry will hinge on striking the right balance between traditional and digital systems. When combined intelligently with modern safety technologies and supported by clear procedures, the T-card system can remain a reliable component within a broader personnel management strategy. Its continued use, reinforced by hybrid innovations, will help sustain safety, efficiency, and productivity in the challenging and dynamic environment of offshore operations.